Hello! Today we're going to learn about intercompany sales. First, let's assume that hoverboards go through common sales and protection kits go through commission sales. Okay, we're going to start by creating a sales contract and a commission agreement between companies. SBS Manufacturing produces hoverboards and protection kits, and SBS Trading sells them to customers. And the manufacturing company sells products to the trading company as well. This scheme is called intercompany. It's popular because it helps to optimize the tax base. You can see the intercompany sales scheme on the slide. To enable intercompany sales, go to Master Data and Settings, Financial Result and Controlling, Goods Accounting, and select the checkbox named Goods Transfers between companies. Select the checkbox named Contracts between companies as well. Let's start with a common sales contract. Go to Financial Result and Controlling, Contracts between companies, and click Create. On the main tab, set status to valid, set type to purchase and sale contract. Type in the name Intercompany Contract 1. In the Supplier section, set company to SBS Manufacturing. In the Customer section, set company to SBS Trading. Okay, done here. Now go to the Settlements and Taxation tab. Set settlement details to Buy Invoices. Save and close the contract. Good. Now we are going to create a commission contract. Click Create once more. On the main tab, set status to valid. Set type to Commission Agreement. Type in the name Consignment Contract 1. In the Consignment section, set company to SBS Manufacturing. In the Consignee section, set company to SBS Trading. Okay, done here. Now go to the Settlements and Taxation tab. Set settlement details to Buy Invoices. Save the contract. Great, we created both contracts. Please note that we can't record sales by SBS Trading until we transfer goods from SBS Manufacturing. Intercompany accounting saves time and effort for users. To start using intercompany accounting, you need to set up a scheme for goods transfer between our companies. To do this, go to Financial Result and Controlling, Settings of Goods Transfer between companies. When the scheme is set up correctly, once ERP automatically records that goods sold by the trading company are actually owned by the manufacturing company. The goods transfer documents are automatically generated based on this data. The intercompany works and services are recorded manually. You need to create a price type to fill in the prices automatically. In the previous lessons, we learned how to create prices. Let's do it one more time. Go to CRM and Marketing, Settings and Catalogs, Prices and Discounts, Price Types, and click Create. We need full functionality, so click this hyperlink. Type in the name Intercompany Price. Select the checkbox named Use and Handover between companies. Set pricing method to Arbitrary Query to Infobase Data. Set Data Composition Schema to Cost with Additional Expenses. Save and close. Good. We just created a price type. Let's set up prices for our goods now. Go to CRM and Marketing, Prices and Discounts, Prices, Price List. Set the date and click Generate. Go to the Product Filter tab and set the filter. Then go to the Price List Counts tab and select our price. Click OK. Select our products from the list. Click Change Prices. Calculate, according to Infobase and formulas. Calculate, apply changed prices. Finally, select Write in Post and click Set. Great, the prices are set. Good job. Please note that after fulfilling assembly-disassembly operation, we perform the month-end closing operation off-screen. Let's go back to Settings of Goods Transfer between companies. Here you can see our settings in a complex table. In the Owner Company column, the owner of the goods is shown. In the other columns, we can see all the companies listed in the company's catalog. As you can see, there are 3 entries for each owner company here. They are used to set up sales of owned goods, consigned goods, and goods at storage with the right of save. The table defines which seller is allowed to sell goods belonging to which owner. That's how the intercompany goods transfer is recorded. Separate settings are used for exchange of owned goods, consigned goods, and goods at storage with the right of save. These goods transfer options are available, not transferred. This means that the company can't sell the goods of the owner company. If this text is in red, this means that intercompany sales scheme isn't set up. Sale. This means the company can't sell the goods of the owner company. Intercompany goods transfer is recorded as sales and purchases between companies. Consignment goods transfer. The company can sell owned goods or consigned goods belonging to the owner company. Intercompany goods transfer is recorded as consignment goods transfer between companies. Let's set up the procedure for our 2 companies. We choose SBS Manufacturing in the Owner Company column and inventory type of the owner to owned goods. Select Sale. Set price type to Intercompany price. Set contract to Intercompany Contract 1. Save and close. In this lesson, we learned how to configure the intercompany sales. As you can see, the intercompany settings allow you to generate sales documents automatically with all the data already filled in. Next time, we're going to learn more about this feature and how it works. See you!